Grain separator (TCRS) is combined by air recycling separator and grain drum separator. The capacity is designed as 50 to 300 tons per hour when dealing with wheat. Air recycling separator is constituted by the cover, fan, screw conveyor, inlet, light impurities outlet, and grain outlet. Grain from hopper is supplied to inlet of air separator and enters the receiving chamber, where the grain is evenly distributed by adjustable gravity valve. From the chamber, grain enters working channel, where it is blown up by the upward airflow. Light impurities are captured by the airflow, transported into deposit chamber, separated from air and discharged from the separator by auger conveyor. In the closed-cycle ASR type, the air separated from impurities is retracted by a fan and returns back to the work channel, blowing up to the grain and taking away the new light impurities. In the air separator ASO open loop, the air freed from the impurities will go through an external aspiration system for further purification in the cyclone and discharged into atmosphere. Grain separator is constituted by the cover, drum sieve, gear motor, drum angle adjusting device, sieve cleaning device, emergency protecting switch, and grain outlet. Grain cleaned from light impurities is fed from air separator. Cleaning in sieve separator is performed in rotating cylindrical sieve drum, whose axis is inclined by 1 to 5 degrees to the horizontal along the drum. There are 3 to 5 sections of drum sieves. Each section is made up of 2 pieces rolled perforated sheet. Under the action of inclined surface of rotating drum, the grain is mixed and gains progressive movement towards outlet. The grain is cleaned by sieving through a sieve with different hole sizes and shapes. Impurities in clean grain are separated from holes with different sizes and shapes and discharged through outlet pipes. Impurities and clean grain discharged from the outlet. There is sieve cleaning device on the top of the drum sieve to keep the holes of sieves from choking. At the inner end of the sieve cylinder, the spiral belts promise smooth processing work. It is easy and simple to change the main parts of the sieves, and there is a repair window to make the maintenance simple. The machine is equipped with protecting system. In case the door is opened wrongly, the machine will stop at once to ensure safety of the operator and machine. You can also stop the machine by pressing any of the emergency buttons which are installed on the legs. There are 8 models in this series, which can meet different requirements for different raw material with different capacity. The machine can be movable by equipped with 4 wheels on it. The machine has obtained invention patent certification in China and was verified by CE and ISO 2001 quality control system. More quickly, more controllable, more safe, more durable. Grain separator TCRS will make the grain cleaning more fast, energy saving, efficient, and economical.